replacing my fan switch in this Hampton Bay ceiling fan. So the first thing I've done was remove the 3 screws in the outer component. Okay, as you go around you can see those holes right there. Okay, I just removed those 3 screws and then I disconnect. Alright, let it hang there for a little bit. And this is the component that I removed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my electricity because this snaps off. Okay, these little clips, yeah, you just pull off all 3 clips. It looks like this, and this will expose this unit here, this housing mechanism here. Now if you notice, you want to make a good visual note of the coloring scheme. So my orange goes to number 1, my purple goes to number 2, the yellow goes to number 3, and the black, that will go to L. And you'll see those numbers on the bottom of the, those indicators on the bottom of the new component. So I'm going to stop this right now so I can turn off my main power. As we move forward, I'm going to show you, this is my replacement. I purchased a, from Lowe's, I purchased a 3-speed fan switch. That's the model number right there. Let me get it closer so you can see it. 0033905. And if you look on the actual component itself, the replacement, you see those markings, those indicators. You see L. Remember, I said L. We're going to put our black there, right? And then we have a number 1, which I said is going to go for orange. And then the number 2 there for the purple. And then number 3, that's where my yellow line is going to go. And you're just going to insert those into those slots right there on the side. Okay, they made it very simple. So just insert the wire into the slot. Push it in and it is secure. Okay, if you notice, I already pushed in the purple to number 3. To number 2. The yellow I put in number 3. And the black, let me get down here so I can show you better. The black I put in L. The orange one here has to go here in number 1. Let me see. I'm trying to hold my camera and do it at the same time as only me by myself. If my son was here to help me right now, but they're in school. But as I said, orange must go here to number 1. Now, if you notice how the purple is inlined, it goes in at an angle. So the angle of insertion is going from left to right this way. Okay? So I just want to make that note. So when you're sticking these in, inserting the wire, it must go from the left side down to the right. Okay? Alright, so the orange one, I'm going to have to make a little modification. I'm going to strip off some more of that insulation so I can get a longer connection port so it could insert properly. Okay, y'all. I finally got that yellow one in. That was a bear. Alright, so you see, once again, this is what it looks like. Okay, when all the wires are inserted and secured. So now we're going to do, we're just going to feed the assembly down. And I'm going to push the chain through the hole here. And, you know, just seat it all down. And then I'll enclose it and replace the screws. Okay, got it. I just put one of my little light fixtures up there, my LED light fixtures up there for you. So now that's holding it. Okay, just one thing a mental note I want to put out for you is to remove this chain housing screw. All right, remove that before we insert the chain through this slot. Where's the slot? Right there, okay? When we insert the chain through, then we're gonna replace this, securing it to the light fixture. All right, now that I have it through, now I'm going to replace this and then screw it on, okay? All right. Our final challenge is the last screw to go in there. See if I can do this final. And that's what we're working on. And now the assembly is up. And where's my chain? Smooth the fan around so you can see the chain right there. Okay, and that's what it looks like. All right, and you can see we're in operation. I just put an extension on here. Okay, so there we go, y'all. I got my 3 speeds. And 2. And my 3. And off. All right, that concludes this video. Hope you learned something today. God bless.